Hey Victor, how you doing?
Hey Jenna.
I'm going to be taking your temperature. So under the tongue. Temperature looks good.
There, all better.
I don't like medicine.
I know, but you have to have it to feel better. Don't you want to feel better? There, all done.
Yeah, I've been working on
Hi, Charlie. How you doing?
Doing well, how are you?
Oh, very well, thanks.
Can I have your finger, please? I'm just gonna check your pulse ox.
So I brought in the patient,
Take deep breaths.
57,
In
and
out,
I
deep
have the
breaths.
vitals. And what I'd like you to do is in about 20 minutes go back in and check.
And I'm going to give you that pain medicine now. This is some morphine. That'll help that pain that you're feeling.
Hey, Mr. Jones, I heard you're not feeling well.
And that's why here at Quinnipiac School of Nursing, we focus on the whole patient in our skills, our assessments, and in nursing theory.
Deep breaths. In, I'm out. Deep breaths.